learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. All right, we're in the month of December, and this whole month we're going to teach you a phrase, and it's I forgot. I can't remember or I forgot. Same thing, really. 我忘了或我不记得，其实都是差不多一样的道理，对不对？
对。
我忘了客语怎么说？
我唔記得。
我唔記得。哦。我不记得的吗？ 对不对？就是我忘了吗？哈，好，有的时候是什么东西会很容易忘了？
电话费。
不止电话费，水费、电费我都会忘了。有的时候被罚真的很讨厌。
拖到最后一天吗？
对啊 ，Sometimes we forget the due date on your bills, especially 电话费。不知道为什么电话费比较容易忘哦。Let's put you in a scenario right now where you forgot to pay your bills and you want to ask when is the last day. 你电话费缴了吗？ Did you pay your telephone bills?
天花費繳嘛。
天花費繳嘛。繳嘛就是
繳了嗎？
繳了嗎 ？OK, did you pay 繳嘛？那電話費是
天花費
啊，天花費 fee is the fee。fee 这跟英文一样FEE 的话，英文里面就是费用的意思好好记哦，天花費。OK, did you pay your telephone bills? And I go, oh no, I forgot， 我忘了。
我唔記得咧。
我唔記得。Okay, that means I forgot, totally forgot. 那或許還好是明天最後一天呢，可以繳，你就趕快來提醒我一下吧。
天公日。
天公日。
水暝營日咯。
水暝
營日咯。水暝營日咯。
水暝營日哦。水暝就是最後，
就是最後
一天了。
營日咯，
就是
一天哦。
OK, only 24 hours left， 只剩24個小時。
對，那我們海陸腔的最後一天，最後呢？水暝。
水暝。OK, that's a different dialect for saying the last of the days, okay, that are coming up to pay your bills. 好，就是明天最后一天了，赶快去缴啦哈！其实现在缴费都很方便啊，便利商店就可以了，对不对？
有时候就那个按一按就缴出去了。
没错，所以不能忘记哈。Let's review some of these phrases, such as the telephone bill, 电话费。
天花費。
天花費 again, fee is the fee, and then 天花 is the telephone, okay? 然后最后刚刚有教過，對不對？怎麼說？
水暝。
水暝 that's the last. And it's all about forgetting something, 所以我們還是要教大家怎麼說我忘了。
我唔記得。
我唔記得 Now you know, 不要忘了。That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母胎嘎。
俺自己張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.